Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you once again for joining for a new publication of results. In this case, is phase 15 of LatinNCAP, and we are making this last publication of the year. We're going to start this video for this last publication of the year with the cars we tested in this round of tests. It is the BYD Dolphin Plus 7 airbags as standard, made in China. This is a purely electric car. It's a fully electric vehicle. And the result achieved for this car in this round of tests was a 5-star result with a robust protection for the occupants, as you can see in the pictures. Chest, the marginal protection on the pole impact for the chest, and the marginal protection for the neck in the rear impact. Normal speed frontal test, we are watching it now, and we're going to go now to the slow motion. The vehicle showed stable structure and stable footwell area as well in the frontal test. Also, the restraint systems work very well in offering a good protection in general for the adults in the front row. And this is important considering that this vehicle is a purely electric car, which is heavier than normal cars of the same size and type. When it comes to the equipment of the car, as explained, it's 7 airbags standard. So curtain airbags, side body airbags, and frontal airbags are coming as standard, and also a central airbag. Child occupants were both installed rearward facing using the anchorages points of the ISOFIX ISIS connectors. And this is following the standard of the best practices globally for child occupant protections. And it's also showed very good protection. We are now moving into the side impact on a full speed, a real speed, and now we are watching the side impacts on a slow motion. Structure prevented intrusion of the cart, which is important, especially considering that this is an electric car and the battery is beneath the passengers. You see there that the side curtain and body airbags, together with the central airbag, provided good protection for the adult in the front. And also the side protection for the child occupants was full in this case. Once again, rearward facing, good performing seats using ISOFIX anchorages. We are seeing now the impact from the outside of the car with good performance of the structure as well, and good performance in general for the side impact protection. Pole impact, real speed. We're watching now the slow motion from the front. Once again, curtain airbag and side body airbags offered in general good protection to the head, marginal protection to the chest. Central airbags, even if we are not assessing those airbags yet, but once again deploying and securing no interaction between both front occupants. This is the most stringent, the more critical test that we perform in LatinNCAP for the passive safety aspects of the car. We are now moving to the rear impact, real speed, and now slow motion whiplash protection. The neck had or presented marginal protection for in general for the assessment. And now we are going to the pedestrian protection. In general, the pedestrian protection, we initially expected to be better than the one that it was assessed, but the manufacturer in principle has implemented a lot of engineering development in the car to make it a good performer in passive safety, and the car together with active safety achieved good scoring for the pedestrian protection. ESC onboard camera with the robot, once again, no problems at all. Stable performance and robust performance for the ESC, and the Moose test also with a robust performance without any problems at all in this car. Robust dynamics, also autonomous emergency braking systems on a movable target and braking moving target as well. The warning system for the driver, robust performance, not just robust but also consistent robustness in the performance. When it comes to pedestrian protection, also the system was very robust and showed a good performance for the pedestrian protection or pedestrian detection and braking. This is the obstructed view scenario with a child dummy, which is a very demanding scenario for the system, and also the vehicle showed a good performance. When it comes to the different A/B systems, in this car comes as a standard. Blind spot detection, we are seeing it now from outside the car, also performing well and into the standard, into the requirements. Lane support systems in the car are there, but the performance is not the performance that was expected for a scoring. The same with the speed limitation, which is there, but not offering the performance required to score points. So in summary, we have the BYD Dolphin Plus with 5 stars for LatinNCAP. This is the first time ever that a Chinese car, the first time ever that a Chinese branded and Chinese made car and also the first time ever that a pure electric vehicle achieves 5-star in LatinNCAP, and this is an important milestone for the program. On top of that, we would like to mention that the car offers, in general, good passive safety protection for the adult, for the child, also for the pedestrian, combined with the AEB, autonomous emergency braking system, achieving good pedestrian protection in general. When it comes to the safety assist, also the AEB systems implemented in the car, also with other systems on board, allow the car to achieve also a high score. Important to say, for the time being, this car is being sold only in the Brazilian market, but it may likely reach other markets in the region. But for the time being, this is the only market where the car is being sold. And important to say, the first car ever, the LatinNCAP test with a central airbag that it's preventing the interaction between both adult occupants in side impacts. And this is something extremely, once again, a new device, a new area of the assessment in the passive safety that LatinNCAP will bring into the assessment in the next years to come. And it's a very important aspect of the protection for the occupants inside the vehicle. This has been the last publication of results of 2024. And before we say goodbye, we would like to thank very much to Global NCAP Towards Zero Foundation, Bloomberg Philanthropies, and the FI Foundation for our continued support, and also ICRT and the IDB for the support from day one. We would like to highlight your support and that you are following us and every publication we have had in this year 2024. For the time being, we would like to say goodbye, wish you a Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Till next time, bye-bye.